Welcome back to Token Watch. This is day 13, and after yesterday, which was, a crazy ride, pushing from, the 15-ish barrier, or not even, pushing from like the 12 to 13 barrier, we saw a jump directly up to 38. It touched 40 a couple times, but the fact that it's hovering around this 37 mark right now, 37.63. Just get a little refresh. 38.21 says a lot about the kind of marketing efforts that's happening right now in the Discord, and I'll just keep that up for a second because it's kind of going crazy. It was stuck around that $36, $37 all morning today, and a little bit of last night. But you're seeing kind of through some effort of promoting the token on Twitter. I know we had a Kim Kardashian response and some other responses that the admin had set up. And the community is kind of getting behind so that people can learn more about the token. It's pushing both the price and the amount of holders up, which is really nice. So we're currently at $38.21. Let me just refresh here to see the holders. We're at 5,600 holders. So after being stuck at 4,500 2-3 days ago for 2-3 days before that, not only did we break through that 5,000 barrier, but we're nearing the 6,000 barrier. Tech Lead still owns 14.6% of the total supply, which is 146k coins, as you can see here. There's still 37,252 coins available that are just sitting there for anyone to pick up, which I assume that'll continue to go down as the hype train continues and the price rises. It's still very exciting days. I'm curious to see kind of what happens. It's been really interesting to see any sell-offs be met with pretty consistent buying. So we've tested some support levels around 30, and then 32, 33, and 34 that we've managed to kind of bounce back from. The people in the Discord, you can kind of tell, are willing to buy up those coins because of the limited supply, and they think this could push forward above 50, above 100, and hopefully in the future closer to 200-300, which would make it a pretty massive coin. Right now we're obviously sitting at 38 million in terms of market cap, which again, look at any other kind of coin that's been out there for a couple of weeks or months. This is early days, so given all the factors that are at play right now, I think the expectation for me is to push well above 100 million, which would make this $100 per token, which I know would make a lot of people happy who got in early. But yeah, I think it's again early days. We've sustained this plateau that we reached yesterday after the massive spike, which is really, really good to see. And I think it's giving people who saw that spike confidence to buy in, because we didn't see an immediate sell-off. So they're happy with the price being stable, and you might see another push. My prediction is around the 15th, because it's the 15th of the month, and people who get paid twice a month, that's when they'll have their paycheck coming in. I'm one of those people, so I'm hoping the price sits stable and I can buy in another chunk come Thursday the 15th. But it's due for another rally. The price is still low. There's still coins out there, so we'll just continue to watch. And I think my end of the month prediction is $100. Honestly, it doesn't need to make that many more moves up to hit that. So we're hoping at the end of July going into August that we're sitting at $100. And depending on how things go with Token Lead and just the kind of sentiment around the coin in general, we could head into Thanksgiving looking at $250 to $500 a coin, or it could sit around there for a while. We'll kind of see, but I don't really have any intention of selling anytime soon. I'm very happy with this coin. The community is very strong, always active, very positive, and so yeah, we'll continue to watch. Right now we're at 38.21. I'm imagining there might be some sell-off. Okay, still 38.21. And yeah, we'll check back tomorrow.